Hello, children. Good morning, everyone. And yes, I know that from the month of April, my all children are studying from home. But though they are studying from home, but the way they are studying, it's really very, very complimentary. So, first of all, children, I would like to congratulate to all of you. The way you people are performing in your studies, it's really very, very awesome. So, first of all, I want to congratulate to all of you. And just now, all you have faced there the mock test, all you have solved your mock test in on online mode. So yes, all my dear children, they have performed there very well. So first of all, I just want to congratulate to all of you there. Now children, it's time to evaluate your study properly. So that's why we have brought here for you your quarterly exam schedule. So, children, as you all are aware that due to this pandemic situation, we people are going to conduct our examination on online mode only. So, children, here in this video, I'm going to give you a certain or the general instruction we can say or an introduction to online quarterly exam for 2020-21. So in this video children, you people are going to get the instructions for both classes for 9th and 10th for the subject social science. So without wasting time children, let's start. So yes children, as you all know or as you all are aware that your quarterly exam of 2020-21 will be scheduled from 4th of August. As you all have got the timetable of your test through your Sarhad app. So all I hope all are you aware about the exam schedule. So your exam will be start from 4th of August. Then mode of examination will be online, same as mock test. So children, all you are aware that the way you people have solved your mock test on online mode, so the mode of examination for quarterly will be the same. Then total marks of examination will be 40 marks. Yes children, I repeat here, total marks of examination will be 40 marks and total time for examination will be 1 hour. So I repeat here, total time for examination will be 1 hour children. So for mock test you people would be getting there half an hour, means 30 minutes, as your test was there for 20 marks. But this quarterly test will be there for 40 marks, so the timing will be there for 1 hour. Okay children, I hope the all instructions are clear to you. Now moving further, some general instructions I have mentioned here which are important for your exam children. So the first one is here, which is very important. And what is that? Your examination will start at 8 a.m. and ends by 9 a.m. So children, you have to keep very perfectly the timing in your mind that your exam will start at 8 a.m. in the morning and it ends by 9 a.m. Then link will be updated on broadcast group sharp at 7:55 a.m. by the class teachers. Then you have to get ready to submit it by 8:55, by sharp 8:55 only. And why? To avoid any kind of delay. Yes children, you have to get ready to submit it by 8:55 only to avoid any kind of delay, as you all know that once time will be out, then you will not be able to submit the test. So better try to submit it by 8:55 only. Then to avoid network issues, yes children, our examination mode is there online, so your internet connection is very important thing. So to avoid network issues children, check your internet connection before an examination only. Okay, because nobody will help there if due to the internet connection if you would not submit your test, then nobody can help you there. So better hai children, try to check your internet connection before an examination only. Then keep a rough notebook and pen near to you to solve the problem. To solve the problem means for social science it's not required there, but sometimes match the pairs are available there, or sometimes assertion kind of questions also will be available there. So ninth standard children, don't be panic here after hearing this word assertion. Okay, so in my next video I will be telling you there what is mean by the assertion kind of question, or in the same video I will tell you there what is mean by the assertion kind of question. Okay, so in social science children, for such type of questions you require there your rough notebook. Means if you want to match it properly, or if you want to link the connection between two sentences, then that time it required there the rough notebook, or whatever the required material you want to keep with you. So before solving an exam, just take care there children that all the required material you have to take with you. I hope the ideas are clear here. Now all questions are compulsory, so try to attempt all questions children. Then check properly before submission for any mistake and missed questions. This thing is very very important children. So sometimes what happened there, means students in a hurry or in a anxiety or in a too much happy mood, they just try to submit their paper early. Okay, so before submit or before submitting your paper, check it properly once. Okay, then assessment is to check the this thing is very very important, children, the next 2 points, so listen it carefully. So assessment is to check the understanding of subject and assess the progress of yours, which is the motive of the study also. So avoid any unfair means to answer the questions. So I hope you people understood here children. Yes, that assessment or the exam, what is the purpose of exam children, or what is the purpose of assessment? That yes, we evaluate ourselves, and after the evaluation we can get the motivation there, and we can get to know there that how much we have to uh, take there the efforts to uplift ourselves. So children, I hope you people will be solving this test very very fairly, that as your teachers will not be available there, so now it's your own responsibility my dear students, that to solve your test with very very fairly. And yes, if the parents are listening this video, so I request here to all parents that please be with your children while they will be solving this online test, and help them if they required any help from you, and try to motivate them to solve the paper very very fairly. Okay children, now let's move further. All the questions are multiple choice questions, as you know very well my dear students, that all the questions are multiple choice question only, likewise or like as mock test. Then 4 options will be provided for each question, and students should choose the correct answer. Means one option only student can choose one correct answer. Then questions are the mixture of all types of questions, as for example, means in your question type children, all types of questions will be available there. For example, simple sentence based question, or answer in answer in one line questions will not be there, multiple choice questions only will be there. So simple sentence based question will be there, then picture based questions also will be there, and assertion reason kind of questions also will be there. Okay children, now assertion and reason kind of question, what is mean by this? So for 10th standard children there is no need to tell, but here I'm telling these things for 9th standard children, as I have prepared this video for both classes, for 9th and 10th. So all ninth standard children, listen it carefully, this is for you. So assertion and reason kind of question means what, children? You people will be provided there one assertion. Assertion means one statement you will be providing there. Okay, and below that statement or below that assertion, one reason will be provided there. Okay, and then below this assertion and reason, four options will be provided there. Among those four options, you will have to choose there the correct option, which can tell there the relation between this statement and reason. Okay, for example, means French Revolution. Here I want to give you an example. So let's try to understand this assertion question, 9th standard children, with the example. So here I have mentioned here one assertion type of question, that here in assertion, children, you will be getting here assertion. It's a kind of statement. For example, here I have mentioned, in the areas conquered by Napoleon, the reactions of the local people were mixed. And reason I have mentioned there, that increased taxation, censorship, etc. Okay, so children, this will be there the assertion and this will be there the reason. Okay, now for this assertion and reason type of question, four options have been mentioned here. See, option number 1, option number 2, option number 3 and option number 4. So first option is given here, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. A means assertion, both A and R. Both A and R means both A. A means assertion and R. R means reason. So both A and R are true, यानी कि दोनों statement सही है, and R is the correct explanation of A. And R means this reason is the correct explanation of this A. Means this A assertion or the statement. Then the second option is given here, children. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Then the third option, A is correct but R is wrong, and A is wrong. Fourth option, A is wrong but R is correct. So children, you have to choose here the correct option. Okay, so assertion type question means one assertion you will be providing there, and for that assertion one reason you will be getting there, and then with the help of this type of four options you will have to find out the answer of this assertion and reason. Okay, so I hope you understood this assertion type of question properly. If not, then in feedback section you can ask, children. Okay, now coming back to this general instructions, children, I hope all instructions till now I have cleared. So for 9th standard especially, here I want to clear that. I hope assertion type of question, the idea is cleared. Now picture based question. So all 10th standard children, you all are aware that what type of picture questions will be available there in your exam. So for 9th standard children, I want to tell you that whatever the pictures are available there in your textbook, so on the basis of those pictures you will be getting there the questions. Means if any painting is available there in your history textbook, so you may ask their question in your exam that in which year this painting had been developed and by which artist this painting had been developed. Okay, so likewise you have to prepare thoroughly for your exam. So I hope children till now you people are cleared. So 9th standard children, if you want to clear with this, so you can take a screenshot of this assertion and reason type of question. So I can wait here. So you can take out the screenshot of it for understanding this type of question. Fine. Now moving further, children, internal assessment for both classes. Okay children, so as you all know that your theory paper is available there for 80 marks. Okay, and remaining 20 marks are given there for the internal assessment. Now how we have divided this 20 marks? So the bifurcation of this 20 marks I have given here. So first number one is the periodic assessment. Now periodic assessment means many of you didn't understand this periodic assessment. Previously also I have shared this same information children with you, but some doubts were available there. So that's why once again I am clearing this thing for those children who didn't understand it. Okay children, so let's try to understand it and pay attention here. So internal assessment will be available there children for 20 marks. Okay, and for that 20 marks bifurcation is been given here. How those 20 marks have been divided? So first one is periodic test. Okay, so periodic test means whatever the exams we people are conducting, it is called as a periodic assessment. Understood? So among those periodic assessment children, 5 marks will be there for your pen paper test. ओके, क्लियर? 5 मार्क्स जो होंगे आपके आपके जो भी पेन पेपर टेस्ट जो भी हो रहे हैं, मीन्स क्वार्टरली एग्जाम, देन हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम एंड देन योर एनुअल एग्जाम. ओके, दिस इज फॉर 9th स्टैंडर्ड. देन फॉर 10th स्टैंडर्ड, quarterly exam, half yearly exam and pre-annual exam. Okay, then annual exam where you people are going to give? Yes, you people are going to face the board for annual exam. Final exam जो होगी बच्चों 10th standard, तो वो होगी आपकी board exam. So I hope it is clear. So 5 marks for your pen paper test. ये मैं आपको किस लिए बता रही हूँ? पीरियोडिक असेसमेंट के लिए, जो कि आपका 10 मार्क्स का है. ओके, उसमें से 5 मार्क्स आप लोगों के पेन पेपर टेस्ट के हैं. देन 5 marks for assessment using multiple strategies like quiz, debate, role play, etc. So उसमें से जो 5 marks है, so nowadays means whatever the competitions or whatever the extracurricular activity you people are performing, so for those multiple strategies like quiz, debate, role play, etc. or viva, means whenever you will be facing there the practical exam, so in that practical exam viva also you will have to face there. So for these multiple strategies you will be getting there 5 marks. So like this 10 marks, okay, from your internal assessment, means 10 marks I have cleared here. Okay, then the second thing is here portfolio. So portfolio children, portfolio is required here, or portfolio have been given here for 5 marks. Okay, now what is mean by portfolio? So many of my 9th standard children, they don't know about it. So 9th standard student, listen it very carefully, what is mean by portfolio. So children, portfolio, it's a kind of file which includes means your classwork. portfolio में क्या क्या आता है children? So portfolio में आता है आपका classwork, okay, जो कि आपने separate maintain किया हुआ है. Then work done or activities or assignments, whatever the activities or assignments you people are completing, or worksheets, okay, or question bank also, means nowadays you people are getting lesson wise question bank or the flow charts. So whatever your activities, assignments, then question bank or your flow charts, so all you have to maintain in your portfolio file. Means for this all activities and assignments you have to make there one file, and in that file you have to keep there the records, okay, which has been called as a portfolio file. So I hope my dear students, the idea of portfolio file, it is clear. Then remaining things also it has been mentioned here: reflections, narration, journals, then achievements of the students in the subject throughout the year, then the participation of the students in the different activities like heritage, India, quiz, competition. So children, these 3 points are not that much important, but means as you all are aware that throughout the year we people are means assessing you, or we people will be evaluating you only the way you are performing regarding various activities. आप जैसे जैसे perform करते जाओगे regarding various activities, यानी जो भी क्विज रहेगा, डिबेट रहेगा या कोई भी अदर कॉम्पिटिशन्स रहेंगी, तो वो सारा रिकॉर्ड आप लोगों का जाएगा आपकी पोर्टफोलियो फाइल में. So till now, my all 9 standard children, because 10th standard children, they are very well aware about what is the portfolio file as they have submitted it last year. So I'm just concerning here for all 9 standard children. So don't panic here regarding portfolio students. Try to understand it. It's a simple thing that एक portfolio file आप लोगों को prepare करनी है जहाँ पे आप लोगों को record maintain करना है कौन सी चीज़ों का, whatever the assignments, whatever the question bank, or whatever the flow charts you will be getting from your teachers, all these things you will have to staple in your portfolio file, and at the end of year you will have to submit it to your teachers, that as you will be getting 5 marks for this portfolio file. Okay, यानी आपका क्लास वर्क और आपकी पोर्टफोलियो फाइल इन दोनों का है 5 marks. Understood? Then remaining 5 marks means till now 15 marks. I have told you here that how the bifurcation is there for your internal 20 marks, and remaining 5 marks is there for the subject enrichment activity. Okay, means वो है आप लोगों का project work. Okay, so this year new project work have been introduced by CBSE, which is called as a art integration project. Okay children, so in this way 20 marks have been divided for your internal assessment for both classes 9th and 10th standard. Now again, for both classes, for 9th and 10th standard children, I would like to tell about this subject enrichment activity, or what is this project work exactly. Just now I have mentioned here that CBSE board have been introduced this year the art integration project, which is your subject enrichment activity. So children, in furthermore slide I have mentioned here, so but here I have mentioned in short because very soon we are going to do one meeting for it. So in that meeting I will tell you there all the things in detail. So right now just try to understand that art integration project is the project which has prepared the art education and art integrated learning. Means as you all know children that India is a very vast country, it's a very huge country, and in our India 29 states are available there, so every state is having there the own culture, or it's having there the own art form. So this year CBSE has introduced this one of the most interesting and wonderful project which is called as an art integration project for the purpose to make this learning process innovative as well as interesting. Now what you people have to do in this art integration project, so your teachers will be guiding there when they will be teaching you the lesson, how you have to connect that lesson with the art. Okay, and how you have to perform there. So all the informations you will be getting there very soon by your teachers. So very soon your teachers, they are doing the meeting with you regarding this art integration project. So children, till now just try to understand that schools are required to upload data of art education and art integrated learning projects of students in the AE. AE means art education, and AIL portal means art integrated learning at CBSE link. So teachers have to upload the data whatever the students activity they will perform there. So this is important thing children this year, but don't take the tension of this project. It's very innovative and it's very interesting. So I hope children the ideas are very cleared with all things regarding your exam, regarding your internal assessment and regarding your art integration project also. So children, here I am concluding today's video. So before conclusion of the video, I just want to tell you the syllabus for both classes. So here I have mentioned the syllabus of social science for 9th standard. So children, history lesson number 1 is there. Then from geography, 2 lessons are available for quarterly exam, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Then from political science, only 1 lesson is available, and from economics, lesson number 1 is available there. So children, you can take the screenshot of it. If you want to make the convenience, then you can take the screenshot of it. Fine. Then for 10th standard children, syllabus is available here. So 10th standard children, you can also take the screenshot of it, or it's very easy children to memorize. So from history, lesson number 1, from geography, lesson number 1, from political science, lesson number 1, and from economics also, lesson number 1. Very easy. Okay, so I hope all the ideas are very clear children. So wishing you a good luck for your exam. Be patient and have a faith in yourself. Everything will work out for the best. So good luck my dear children for your exam. Give your best shot on it. I'm pretty confident that you can make it, and my best wishes are with you. So thank you so much my dear children. Best of luck.